What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Low Tech. I hope you guys are having a great day today. We are now 3 videos in. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. I didn't think I was gonna keep it going, but here we are. I'm gonna try to keep it going for you guys. I love reading all the comments. I've been getting a lot of love lately, and I appreciate you guys so much. For today's video, we're gonna be doing a lot to the Evo. Well, I don't know about a lot, but we're gonna be doing some things to the Evo today. So first things first, what we're gonna be doing is installing my new hood dampers that I got from my Evo. I ordered these off of the Map Performance website. It took about 3 to 4 days to get here. Not too bad. I went with the Pro Sport carbon fiber. I read a lot of good reviews about this one, so we're gonna be installing these today. So let's get to it. I got tired of the ugly OEM hood prompt. If I like it, I might get some for the 350Z. I don't see a lot of videos with carbon fiber hoods and these, so we'll see how it holds. Oops, I wasn't recording, but got that one on. All right, it is now on. Now to see if it closes. I feel like it's gonna snap my shit. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's bothering me, those fingerprints. I'm sorry. Oh, that's so much better. Now, to take this ugly thing off. Now that that is installed, I fucking love it so much more. It looks so fucking good. I'm happy. Hell yeah. I'm definitely gonna get some for my 350Z. But anyways, next mod that I picked up for my Evo, it is this Boomba Racing oil cap. I think that's how you pronounce it, right? Boomba. Such a weird fucking name, but yeah, I picked this up for my Evo because this ugly OEM cap needs to go. For now, I'm gonna slap it on the OEM plastic valve cover, but it's definitely gonna look a lot better when I have it on this bad boy right here. For those of you that have not seen it, let me show you what this looks like. Oh my god, it's fucking beautiful. That is going on this bad boy here. It's gonna match my intercooler piping, mag blue with some gold flakes. Fucking love this color. Let me show you what it's gonna look like on here first. Oh, this is beautiful. I went with the natural aluminum color. I got this from Matte Performance as well. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, that looks so fucking sexy. I got this color because it's gonna match my manifold. I got it powder coated as well. My manifold, if you guys remember, it is the same color. Look at that. Oh, that's gonna be so fucking sexy. And my intake is mag blue as well with gold flakes. So excited to slap all this on. I'm literally just waiting on a clutch, waiting on my sponsor, Action Clutch, to come out with their new clutch. They're coming out with a new sprung twin disc clutch, and I'm waiting for it. Right now, they currently have a twin disc, but it's unsprung. But I want a sprung clutch because I want it to feel as close as possible to OEM. Let's see how this fits on here. Oh, yep, that's fucking sexy. Oh, hell yeah. I swear, it's always the little things that make a huge difference. Look at that. But anyways, that is it for this. We're gonna go knock out the gym, and then I'll pick this up after. All right, we are now here at the gym, about to hit some legs today. Hope I get some good footage. Hopefully there's not a lot of people in there, so I can film myself. Let me have this pre-workout real quick. Oh, it's fucking disgusting. I fucking hate this flavor. Yuck. Why? Why? Such good ingredients, such trash flavor. I'm gonna try to do 5. I feel like I didn't eat enough carbs, and I feel lightheaded. I'm gonna try. Not 6. I wanted to just with a quick little Q&A for you guys since I haven't really sat down and talked to you guys. I mean, if you guys don't really care for Q&As, just go ahead and skip this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. But if you care, then stick around. And for those that stick around, I appreciate you. Always appreciate you guys. You guys are dope as fuck. Let's get to it. I can't really read who the questions are from since I'm filming off my phone, so I apologize. Number one question I get asked a lot is, when am I turboing the Z? I've been asked this for the last 4 or 5 years, and to be completely honest with you, I don't know when I'm gonna turbo that. Right now my main priority is the Evo. Once I get this thing up and going, the Z, maybe when I'm done with this, I'll definitely get back into that. The Z would be nice to have turbo, but that shit's fucking expensive. Your boy ain't rich. What made you start posting YouTube videos again? I had a little wake-up call, to be honest. I had a friend of mine tell me that they got a raise at work and they told me how much they were making. I was like, holy fuck, that is insane. So that woke me up. I pretty much told myself, like, what the fuck am I doing? What can I do to bring more income? So then it hit me. Why the fuck did I stop YouTube? I enjoyed making videos. Had so much fun creating content for you guys. Why not get back into it? So here I am making videos for you guys again. A lot has changed. I got comfortable. I don't make as much money as I used to. I used to make way more money. That's why I was buying fucking car parts like fucking crazy. Now it's a lot harder to get car parts because the money is not there. How long or when will you get out of the car scene? To be completely honest with you, I don't think I'm ever gonna get out of the car scene. I have a huge passion for cars, and I really don't see myself going anywhere. I'm never leaving the car scene. Next question. How did I start YouTube? I started blowing up on IG, and I got a lot of people telling me to start vlogging. You guys are the reason why I started vlogging. I was completely nervous. I had no idea what I was doing. I was shy as hell. I mean, if you go back to my first videos, you can see how shy I was. I was pretty much covering my face most of the time. Any dark lighting that I can film under, I will film under it because I didn't want to be seen on camera. I wouldn't even show my whole face. Sometimes I'll film from the side like this, or I don't know. A lot has changed. I definitely did not see myself get to this point, and it's crazy to think about now that I'm doing YouTube. Honestly, my advice for those that want to start YouTube, just Nike it. Just do it. The best advice I can give anyone doing YouTube is stay consistent. Something that I am working on, but consistency is key. Back then when I used to vlog daily, I used to make so much fucking money off YouTube, and I let that die out. And that's probably one of my biggest regrets now, not staying consistent with it. I let it die out. I'm still mad at myself for that, but hey, I'm human. You live and learn. But next question. Do you still have the Taco? Yes, I do. I still have the Tacoma. I will show you guys a video of that. Yeah, I still got her, guys. She ain't going anywhere. Yeah, she is still thriving. She has 180,000 miles, still running strong. Have not had any issues. I'm knocking on goddamn wood. Be right back. No issues. That's the thing. That's the beauty of Tacomas, man. They run forever. That is it. I am gonna wrap up the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, thanks anyways for watching. But if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And guys, remember why you started. The whole car doesn't have to be in there. Should I have the mic here? Does it look funny? Like that? Can you see the mic? Shipping wasn't too bad. I went with the, what are these? Oh, I went with the Pro. What are these? I went with the hood I went with the Pro Sport. Hijo de la verga. Let's see how this looks. How's this look? How's this look? How's that? What is up, guys? Welcome back. I know I haven't been in appreciate you guys so much for watching and sticking to the end. You guys are real ones. I appreciate you guys always. I will definitely see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna try to keep this going. So make sure you hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. And guys, remember why you started.